Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet this really easy vertical columns hat and cowl. So let's get started. You can find all my patterns in my Ravelry store, over 2,000 patterns there, and many of them are free, or on my Etsy site. HectaFavorites is my name there, and I have approximately 700 patterns there. To work this easy stitch pattern in 2 different colors, you can work with any size yarn and any size hook. For this pattern, I worked with 2 strands of worsted weight yarn, but you could use 1 strand of a chunky yarn. For the black and white cowl and hat, I started out with a band. And I'm going to use my 9mm crochet hook and start with a slip knot. And then I worked a foundation chain that would wrap around the head. Like that, a foundation chain that will wrap around the head. And the cowl and the hat are both with the same foundation chain. When you have your foundation chain the correct length, slip stitch to join and form a large ring. And I just pull that foundation chain through my finger and my thumb, and I can feel the bump on the back side. So slip stitch to join. Chain 1, single crochet in each stitch all the way around. Single crochet. All the way around. Okay, after you've worked all the way around, working a single crochet in each stitch at the end of the row, slip stitch to join in the first stitch, and then chain 2, 1, 2, and that chain 2 will count as the first double crochet in each stitch all the way around. To make a double crochet, yarn around the hook, insert into the stitch, pick up the yarn and pull it through, pick up the yarn, pull it through 2 loops, up the yarn and pull it through 2 loops. So go ahead and double crochet in each stitch all the way around. Like that, all the way around. Okay, I worked all the way around, making 1 double crochet in each stitch at the end of the row, slip stitch to join in the top of the chain 2. And in that same stitch, I'm going to pull in my contrasting color, and I'm going to chain 3, 1, 2. I'm going to skip the next stitch, single crochet in the next. Chain 1, skip, single crochet. Chain 1, skip, single crochet. I'm going to repeat all the way around. Chain 1, skip, single crochet. Like that, all the way around. Okay, I worked all the way around. At the end of the row, I'm going to chain 1, and there's my chain 3, and I'm going to slip stitch to join in the second stitch of the chain 3. And that's how that looks. I'm going to attach my other color in a chain 1 space. Chain 2, 1, 2, single crochet in the next chain 1 space. Chain 1, single crochet in the next chain 1 space. You're going to repeat that all the way around. Chain 1, single crochet in the chain 1 space. Like that, all the way around. Okay, I worked all the way around. There's the loop from my previous color. I'm going to chain 1, and I'm going to slip stitch to join in that first stitch of the chain 2. And I'm going to leave that loop attached. There's the loop from my other color. I'm going to pull that loop right through the chain 1 space. There's the loop in the back. I have the equivalent of chain 2. Go to the next chain 1 space and work a single crochet. Chain 1, single crochet in the next chain 1 space. Chain 1, single crochet in the next chain 1 space. Repeat all the way around. And here's the black and white one. And so there's my foundation row. And when you've worked as many rows as you would like, I worked a row of double crochet and then a row of single crochet. And that's for the cowl. To make a hat, you make exactly the same thing, and then you just gather along the top like that, and that forms the hat. If you like, you can attach a pom-pom at the top of the hat, and I'll put the link below on how to crochet these pom-poms with fun fur. Or you could do it with any type of fluffy fur like homespun. If you like this video, please click like, as it helps in the YouTube algorithm.